Hey, how you doing? Tech Guide Ninjas here. Really simple tutorial today looking at how to use Chatgpt for language translation. So I'm going to open Chatgpt, new chat, and I'm going to type in translate to English, semicolon. Going to find some text, copy it, back over to Chatgpt and copy and paste, and it will translate it to English. So it works the other way, works for any languages. So if I want to translate to Spanish, semicolon, find some text, gonna copy that, back over, paste it in, and it will translate it to Spanish for me really quickly. So hope that was useful. Speak to you soon.